Okay, happy Pi Day, my peoples. Um, I am working with a new camera. I'm also working on trying to do some edits on part 3, the pi-stomp. Finally put out some sounds. So we'll run through one or two of these patches and just show you kind of sound-wise what you're kind of dealing with. So the NAM default one is just the NAM with it's Tim R Magnetone Super 59. I'm using a Laney 212 for the IR reverberator as a collision drive running that as well. So happy Pi Day, guys. Happy Pi Day. And I think I'm a little out of tune, maybe. Could be. That's the NAM. NAM Wham is with the whammy bar. It's going to get loud for a second because sometimes when you switch these things over, it get loud. Ah, there it is. It's the same pedal and it's the same thing. However, this one actually has a this one has a Mesa 412 on it for the IR with the V30s. The other one wasn't. And yeah, as it sounds pretty damn good. I'll have some more detailed walkthrough in the third video, so stay tuned.
Boo boo.